Good evening, everyone. I'm Rumi, and we have started. I'm from OpenDB Hub company. It's a startup company. We have recently started. Recently means 1 year ago. We have started this company, and I'm the founder of this company. And we are giving professional Postgres services as part of as part of database administrator and services like Postgres and all. So here I am just wanted to share common mistakes of a database administrators, and I have come up with some risk factors and the solutions for them. And solutions are based on my experience of 12 years experience into Postgres. So these solutions are based out of my experience. So common mistakes are like poor backup strategies. So we know how important the data is. When client has trusted us and given his data, we have to ensure that our client's data is secure, and it is we have to follow 3-2-1 rule, which is like 3 standby servers and 2 in different zones, like different availability zones, and 1 is on your file share, right? We have to have a backup. And everybody ensures that we have backups, and we have retention period, enough retention periods also, like 30 days, 45 days, 7 days. But are we really testing the backup by restoring that frequently? Do we have that on priority of our checklist, whether we are restoring that or not, whether our data is correct or not? We are able to restore that when it requires. We have to ensure that. And the second one is security. Everybody knows how data is very important for us as well as the client, and we have to ensure that data is secured and client should not be in a trouble with the data breaches and all. So we have to ensure data is secured and client is happy with us, and we know everybody might be using Postgres 17, which is come up with enhanced security features, right? So that is more important. And again here, when we have to come, we have to check roles and responsibilities are we have roles, right? We have to ensure we have given limited access to the roles. And next, monitoring. So we have to ensure whether it is your monitoring tool you are using or small script you are using, but you have to ensure your database health. As a database administrator, you have to make sure taken action before issue occurs. So this is the most important point, you have to take it. And next one. So we have to always understand application workloads. So application workloads, based on application, we have to have designing of the schema and queries that developer, whoever is writing. These, if we understand these 3 things, then 90% of our issues will be resolved. And repetitive tasks which we are doing manually. So we have to ensure we are not doing any repetitive task manually. Sometimes we do human errors may happen, some misses may happen, and we have to ensure that repetitive tasks are automated. And database maintenance. Database maintenance is most important thing. We have to check our regular patches on OS as well as DBs. Thank you so much.